The Google Pixel 4 is one of the most anticipated upcoming smartphones of the year. It is said to be a huge upgrade over the previous models, especially camera-wise. Many are expecting it to have a groundbreaking performance upgrade. We're still a month or two away from its official announcement, but Google, they have already spilled some official beans at us. So here are top 5 features of the upcoming Google Pixel 4. Number 1. New design. With Pixel 4, Google is revamping the design, especially at the back. To get ahead of trend of leaks, Google themselves confirmed the back design of the Pixel 4 as well as the front. It features a square camera bump on the back, much like the upcoming iPhones, indicating multiple cameras. Google has also eliminated the classic two-tone back, and the fingerprint scanner is also dead. That brings us to the front, which is a whole new story. Both variants of the Pixel 4 will have a pretty big top bezel to accommodate a number of sensors, including the Project Soli radar chip, along with the front camera. It's definitely not gonna be the most beautiful smartphone of the year, but it's a lot better compared to the Google Pixel 3 XL's ugly bathtub notch. The forehead of Pixel 4 family will have motion gestures, and for the Pixel 4, it's confirmed that it will rock single front camera. Google showed it off in this image, and what they didn't show us is the Pixel 4 XL. That phone will have a bigger display and of course more room to have an extra camera sensor, so we can expect a dual front camera system specific to the Pixel 4 XL. And speaking of cameras, we have brand new update to the whole camera mechanism on the back. The Pixel 4 is looking like the next camera king in the smartphone business. Just like the Google Pixel 3, which still takes the best out of camera smartphone photos on any smartphone right now. It's confirmed by multiple unofficial sources that it will have a dual 12 plus 16 megapixel camera sensor on the back. This is backed up by finding of folks over the XDA developers who found out that the code within the Google camera app indicate that the second camera is indeed a telephoto lens. Along with this, the main game changer where Google always excels is the camera software. Google will be implementing DSLR-like features in the camera app of the Pixel 4, which will take its camera performance to the next level. The selfie camera will be improved a lot as well thanks to the depth of field sensor and flood illuminators at the front. Google is definitely not wasting the space in that big top bezel. As per latest leaks, the Pixel 4 is expected to have a 5.6-inch display, and the Pixel 4 XL is expected to rock a 6.3-inch display. The smaller model will get a full HD plus resolution with the Pixel 4, and only the Pixel 4 XL will get Quad HD plus Samsung goodness. Now what's exciting is that both of these two models, or only the Pixel 4 XL, can get 90 Hz of refresh rate. According to the report, Google will call it smooth display. They're also implementing some huge gesture to the Android 10 official software updates, so combined with 90 Hz refresh rate, this will make everything really smooth. Number 4. Project Soli. Since its beginning in 2015, Project Soli has improved a lot. Google has improved it so much that they got approval by FCC to use high-frequency Soli radar chips, which will be allowed in aircrafts. Google is putting a similar kind of chip in the Pixel 4 as well. This will enable gesture controls like never seen before. This feature is similar to the LG G8, which offers a glimpse into a touchless phone future. You'll be able to skip songs, snooze alarms, silence phone calls, and much more seamlessly by just hand gestures. The Soli radar chip, coupled with a flood illuminator and a dot projector, is going to work as a pretty sick face unlock system. It will be so secure that Google will probably not gonna implement in-display fingerprint scanner. You'll also be able to confirm payments through this and all other stuff. According to Google, this face unlock system will be so fast that as you lift your phone, it will be unlocked all in one motion. This will work even if the phone is lying flat on the table or upside down. As I've used the 3D facial scanner of Apple's iPhone, I can definitely say that this form of security is as good as an in-display fingerprint scanner, and it actually works 95% of the time, so I really don't mind with Google not putting the fingerprint scanner in the display. This will do just fine. And last but not the least, we're gonna see next generation of Google Assistant. They showed a demo at Google I/O 2019. The Google representative asked the assistant to do a number of things like replying to text, asking it to show images from a trip containing only animals, and some very specific tasks. The assistant carried out everything, all the functions quickly and seamlessly. With next generation assistant, Google has also made improvements to the duplex feature, which will now be able to do online bookings for you as well without calling. Google is also introducing assistant's driving mode, which is also pretty sick. There's going to be many quality of life changes with Google Assistant as well. So there you have it. These are the top 5 upcoming Google Pixel 4 family features. If you're looking for the most cutting edge technology phone or the most pretty phone when it comes to design, then this is not going to be the phone for you. In my opinion, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is the most premium phone that I have ever used this year. We also have the OnePlus 7 Pro, but if you are someone who's looking forward to an extremely amazing camera setup, then wait for the Pixel 4 family, because Google always delivers when it comes to camera, and this year it's going to be some serious gains. Anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the Pixel 4 family. Are you guys excited? And why not subscribe to the channel for future tech videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.